It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to take a look at 2022-23 Topps NHL sticker collection. A very, very, very bland-looking box, but there's what some of the cards or stickers look like. I am actually really a fan of these products. There's nothing of super high value in here. I don't think there's anything even short printed, to be honest with you. But just the designs have always been good. I remember collecting the stickers when I was younger, so it's kind of fun. The set is huge. So this set is an eye-wateringly 684 stickers. Huge. Now, it's also very affordable. This box cost me $37 US. There are 50 packs in here, and each one contains 5 stickers. So, and normally on this, like, these pretty much always go down in price. They're always overproduced. You'll find these 6 months from now. You can find boxes sometimes for around $20, sometimes even cheaper than that. I know, like David Adams, where one of the online stores will often give boxes of this away with larger purchases. So we're going to break into it. So they changed the packs. They used to be like mini packs last year, and now they are more like the Panini packs. So it might be harder to open. And they will be, absolutely. Thanks. Alright, so that's the first thing I like about them. Number 1. They're going to be a lot harder to open. Yikes. Okay, let's take a look at one of the stickers. We've got Brendan Gallagher. So, not showing the country on the front, which they had a little flag last year. And the backs really don't show anything but the number. We've got Alexander Barabanov, Quentin Byfield, Zach Parise, and we've got a foil of Kirill. Second pack. Oh, that one opened much easier. Alright, I'm sure I have the... Oh, maybe not. I was going to say, I'm sure I have this down now, but I don't. Struggle's real. Braden Holtby, Sergei Bobrovsky. We've got a Captains, which is one of the inserts of Jacob Chikrin, who's actually an assistant captain. Ryan Donato for Seattle, and then our foil was Philip Forsberg. Foils are really foily looking, as they should be. I do like to collect all the Penguins out of this set, but I do not even try to complete the set. It's massive. We've got a hardest shot Victor Hedman. It's a really cool looking design. Alex DeBrincat. We've got an accuracy shooting Sebastian Aho. There's TJ Oshie. And we've got a foil of Erik Karlsson. So there are, like, I hesitate to call them inserts, but I guess they would be considered subsets. Like those all-star ones that we've seen and the Captain's one that we saw. Got Dan Vladar, Connor Garland, Captains of Logan Couture, Anton Forsberg, and the New Jersey Devils foil logo. So I usually try and sell the ones that I can't, that I don't want to collect on eBay, and those foil logos always tend to sell for a couple bucks usually. So surprisingly, because this product is so cheap, it's actually been pretty good to get my money back out of it. It actually gives one of the higher returns. I just happen to keep track of all that stuff because I like to know where my money goes. Miro Heiskanen, Nick Suzuki. We've got Boone Jenner, J.G. Pajot, and Brady Tkachuk foil. And this will be a exercise in pack opening futility, I believe, the whole way through. So I apologize for that. The stickers also seem a little bit thinner. They're actually harder to handle because the backing isn't on thicker stock. Joe Thornton, Nathan Smith. We've got Calvin Peterson, Nikolai Ehlers, and Patrick Laine. Is there a specific way to open these? It doesn't look like it. It doesn't look like it. It's just like rip into it. That's the specific way you open it. Anthony Cirelli. We've got Paul Stastny, James Reimer, Alex Wenberg, and San Jose logo. I didn't look to see if there are mascots in this year's. A lot of times they do have mascot stickers, which I also enjoy. Like the fact that Upper Deck has put them in the canvas collection last year. There's Johnny Gaudreau All-Star, Tyler Myers, Jonathan Taves, John Carlson, and Matty Beniers. Look at that. He's got a foil. Yeah, I do miss when they were little packs. If you want to know what I mean by that, check out last year's break of this that I did. Joe Pavelski, Jonathan Drouin. We've got the captains, Anze Kopitar, Philip Gustafson, and speaking of mascots, there we go. Hollow mascot, a Stinger for Columbus. I'm down with that. There's Stammer, Jack Roslovic, Nino Niederreiter, Ilya Sorokin, and there's a Dallas Stars logo. And because you get tons of cards in here, you shouldn't be surprised if you pull duplicates of stuff because, well, you get a lot of stuff. Patrick Hornquist, Andrew Ladd, we've got Brandon Tanev, Evgeni Kuznetsov, and Mats Zuccarello. And we've got Johnny Gaudreau, Quinn Hughes, Brent Burns, Jonathan Dahlin, and Roman Josi. These foils are always sweet looking. Jamie Benn, Dylan Strome, Max Domi, Thomas Chabot, and Jordan Eberle. Andrei Vasilevsky, Rem Pitlick, Adam Larson, Josh Morrissey, and we've got a Jordan Eberle foil. We've got a Great Outdoors Nikita Kucherov. So this is one of the Stadium Series cards. The captain, Sasha Barkov. The Fountain Face-Off, Zach Werenski. That was a letdown, actually. Anthony Beauvillier and Blades. The Fountain Face-Off was something they did on the Bellagio fountains last year for the Vegas All-Star game. And, I don't know, just wasn't as impressive as I thought it would be. There's Petey. We've got Travis Boyd, Trevor Moore, Matt Barzal, and the Minnesota Wild. Johnny Hockey, Christian Dvorak, Calvin DeHaan, Brady Shea, and Nash. Now that I mentioned the mascots, it seems like we're getting a ton of them. Which is all right by me. Steven Stamkos. We've got Sasha Barkov. Cole Sillinger, Captains Blake Wheeler and John Carlson foil. So there are, I haven't pulled one yet, but there are really cool 71-72 Topps retros in here, which are, I think, mostly the rookies. Matt Tkachuk, Thatcher Demko, Hayden Fleury, Captains Ovi, and there's Wild Wing for the Ducks. So hopefully we'll pull a couple of those out of all these packs. There's Jamie Benn. We've got Tomas Hertl, Alex Iafallo. There's one. Philip Gustafson. And I don't know. I just loved this design. I wasn't alive when this design came out. Like I said, I think this is 71-72 Topps. But I just think it looks retro. That's all I can say. But there's Philip Gustafson and then a Bruins logo. So we've got, what is this here? Primo holds strong in net to lead the Canadiens to victory. Kirill Velmeka, Teuvo Teravainen, Anders Lee captain, and the Columbus Blue Jackets logo. Pat Maroon. There's Jonathan Huberdeau, Seth Jones, Vince Dunn, and there's Iceberg. Right. Is anyone else out there into these stickers or complete the book? I feel like I'm the only person on YouTube who even bothers to open these because, there's no real value, so you obviously don't see breakers doing it. Sean Monahan, Vladislav Gavrikov, Quentin Byfield. Got Ovechkin hat trick carries Washington past the Panthers, and there's the Kraken. I'm just curious if anyone still completes these. And how many boxes do you have to buy to complete this? Seems like it's a good way to like when you talk about entry level stuff, this seems like the perfect thing for like kids who maybe don't want to buy them a box of Black Diamond, but you can get a box of this. Joe Pavelski, Brock Besser, Jordan Stahl, and that is Senators fly south to rout Panthers. And then we've got the New Jersey Devil. You devil. I don't know where we're at in this box. I have no idea. I've lost all concept of what pack we're on and how much time has elapsed. Andrei Vasilevsky, captains of Shea Weber. Anton Strawman. We've got the Islanders knocking off the Devils to win their first game at UBS Arena. And the Breadman. So I've only pulled one of those retro rookies. I wonder if those are short printed. I wonder if I was wrong. Because it just seems like we're not getting a lot in this box. Jack Eichel. And we've got Forsberg scores half of team's 6 goals in huge win. There's Sid the Adult. Morgan Riley. And we've got Sasha Barkov foil. If you like the sound of ripping paper, you love this video. Bennington pitched a shutout to keep the Blues hot. Owen Tippett, Peyton Krebs, Jack Johnson, and the Rangers. Sonny Milano. We've got all-star skills. Here's Jack Hughes, game 1. Dmitry Kulikov, Andrew Kopp, and Finn. Some of the captions on the cards won't make sense because they make sense when they're in the book. when you buy the collector's album and you stick them in. It's probably game 1 of the All-Star Series. Joe Veleno. And we've got Oilers emerge victorious in scoring barrage versus, is that the Rangers? Sidney adult, we're in the sea. Oh, and we got another fin. Oh, and we got a pasta in there too. All kinds of stuff falling out of that one. Ville Husso. There's Mark Stone. There's Matt Benning, Jason Spezza, and Sabretooth. This would definitely be one of the longer videos I've done in a while. There's Claude Giroux, Jeff Skinner, Cale Makar, Artemi Panarin, and the Oilers logo. Trevor Zegras, Dr. Dre, Dawson Mercer, Cam Talbot, and the Flyers logo. Danny DeKaiser-Soze, Braden McNabb. We've got a stadium series of Philip Forsberg, Jeremy Swayman, and VGK. I can finally see the back of the box. There's Braden Shen, Rasmus Ristolainen, Chris Letang, Jack Campbell, and a piece of the cup. So this is probably a nine-piece sticker set. Put it all together, you get a Stanley Cup. I think they've done that their previous years as well. I think this is the 4th year for the top stickers. 3rd or 4th. Zegras comes through with overtime heroics to beat the Caps. Casey Fitzgerald, Mikko Rantanen. There's Chris Kreider. That photo looks familiar. Is that on his Upper Deck card this year? I don't know. There's another piece of the cup. Oh, there's a Dr. Dre on top there. All-Star card. There we go. There's another one of the retros. Alexander Holtz. There's Kirill, Brandon Carlo, and Yuppie. Dylan Larkin, captain's card. Jack Eichel, Roman Josi. We got Brian Rustash. And he's got the Rustash in effect there. Everybody's favorite is Gritty. Even if you don't like the Flyers, you gotta like Gritty. Jordan Binnington. We've got Dylan Cousins. Ryan Murray. These are all upside down. Mitch Marner and Ovi Foil. Shockingly, well, maybe not shockingly, but due to the size of this set, I don't think we've pulled any dupes. Max Comtois, Oscar Lindblom. They're not fooling me again, turning these every which way. There's Baldy racking up a hat trick to highlight a rookie season win. Austin Matthews and Harvey the Hound. The way that picture is angled, he looks like a rat. Harvey the Rat. Sorry if you're a Flames fan. I do not mean to insult your mascot, but that is clearly not his best angle. Moritz Seider. There's Connor McDavid, the captains. Alexander Holtz, Hampus Lindholm, and Jonathan Taves foil. It seems like if I don't turn it, no matter what, it's going to be upside down. Shea Theodore. Got captains Roman Josi. Kasperi Kapanen. Austin Matthews. And the Kings. We're getting near the end. Thank you if you sat through this with me. This product isn't for everybody. David Perron. We've got Claude Giroux. I'm going to risk it and turn him. Claude Giroux, All-Star Game MVP. Zegmas Jurgensons. I knew it would bite me. Alex Newhook rookie. Don't those just look amazing? And Sid foil. A little tiny stack of stickers down here. Sam Steele. We've got Cody Ceci. We've got captains Nico Hischier, Chris Kreider, and Louis. Mark Stahl, Riley Smith, Marcus Foligno, captains of Patrice Bergeron, and there's Jamie Drysdale. Got Jordan Binnington, Great Outdoors. Philip Forsberg. Ah, you jerk. Ricky Rackle. Austin Matthews All-Star and a pasta foil. Guess I should have broken this up into 2 breaks because we're now over the 20-minute mark. Travis Konechny. What do you guys think of that? Do you like it when people break a single box up into multiple, or would you prefer it straight through? Sabres start the season strong with the win over the Habs. Gabe Landeskog, Capo Caco, Stanley Cup. Now that's a duplicate. And then we got that corner of the cup already. Oh. Got another retro rookie. Zegras. There we go. Like that one. Mike Smith. Ty Smith. Matt Zuccarello. Great Outdoors. Bottom corner of the cup, which I think we had that already. So now the dupes are hitting home. Box is wrecking everything. Oh, the background, it's all ruined. Lucas Raymond, Ryan Johansson, Tristan Jarry, Charlie McAvoy, and Slapshot the Eagle. Jordan Kyrou, Darnell Nurse, Alex Newhook. We've got Mitch Marner and Johnny Hockey. Last pack. Maybe this is the one we'll pull the auto in. They're guaranteeing an auto, right? I think so. Maybe. No. Mason McTavish, Cam Atkinson. We've got Great Outdoors, Peyton Krebs, Adam Fox, and Chicago Blackhawk logo. There you have it. An extensive break. 2022-23 NHL sticker collection from Topps. Let me know what you think of the break in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I thought this was a pretty fun break. See you next time.